Hey everyone, engage your processors and dive into the programming world. I'm kicking off a series of short videos, aiming to share one every single day. Let's start with our first C program. It's the classic one that prints "Hello World" on the screen. So this hash symbol you see, that's a preprocessor directive, and include is the instruction that tells the compiler to grab a header file. In this case, we're using sudio.h, which stands for standard input.output. It basically provides the tools we need for things like printf. Here's how it works. Before the code we write gets compiled, there's a preprocessing step. During that step, the compiler collects all the include instructions and adds the necessary programs to our code. The result is an expanded version of our source code. After that, the expanded code goes to the compiler, which generates an executable file. I'll dive deeper into this process in the next video. Now let's talk about main. This function is where the program actually starts running. All the stuff like preprocessor directives just sets the stage so we don't have to write everything, like printf, from scratch. The int here shows that the main function will return an integer. The parentheses? They're used to pass arguments to the function, but in this case, we're not passing any. Curly braces wrap up the block of code inside the function. Then we've got printf, which is what prints "Hello World" to the console. The semicolon at the end, that's the terminator. It tells the compiler, this is the end of the statement. Finally, the return statement. It tells the program to exit and send back a value. Returning 0 here means everything went fine. That's it for now. See you in the next one, where I'll break down more about preprocessing and compilation.